How's that?
Oh, nice. Fine.
Okay, here we go.
He's on the boss.
Yeah, he is actually.
Yes, Renee.
Keep that right here every time. So when you're pulling off this way a little bit, swing right.
We have our own comedy show.
Alina.
There you go. And keeping this shoulder in nice and tight.
Okay.
Talk about YouTube. Good cut.
Yes, I am. We own it.
I thought you were responsible.
2 more.
We own it.
I own YouTube.
It took $3,000.
You're still run into it like this. Make sure you're charging good when you get back down to that street.
Got a new game with Alina.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Quiet?
It's how long can she hold her breath?
Did you feel blue?
I don't know. Figure we're still working.
One more, Jill. Last one.
She's quieter.
Nice job. Good job. Renee, your last one, right?